Okay, for 123, they want to buy t-shirts and sweatshirts for 18 members, right? So for 18 members. And then t-shirts are $9 and sweatshirts are $15, and they want to spend all of the $180. So A says write a system of equations. So first, let T represent the number of t-shirts, and let S, right, represent the number of sweatshirts. Okay, so now the first one, T plus S, has to equal 18 because they need to buy it for everybody. And then $9 times how many t-shirts plus $15 times how many sweatshirts has to equal $180, right? So there's our two equations. So I am going to, let's see, I'll solve this one with elimination. So I'm going to multiply the top equation by -3, right? So our new equations are -3t minus 15, or minus, oh wait, sorry, I thought that was plus s. Let me back up here. Okay, so I'm not going to multiply by -3. Let's erase this. I'm going to multiply the top equation by -9 to cancel the t's, right? So times -9. So I get -9t minus 45, no, minus 9s. That s looks like a 5. That's what's confusing me. So minus 9s equals 9 times 18 is 72, 2, 7, 16, -162. Okay, and then the bottom equation stays the same, 9t plus 15s equals 180. And now we add the two. So we get the first two cancel the t's. And then we get 6s equals 180 minus 162 is 18. So s equals 3. And then we'll substitute that into t plus s, right? T plus s, 3 equals 18, so t equals 15. So for B, so this was A, so for B was the solution, and we get 15 t-shirts and 3 sweatshirts. And then, of course, they can figure out who's going to get what.